Let's do question 5.4. Given f of x is equal to negative 1 over x minus 3 plus 2, write down the coordinates of the y-intercept of f. It says write down. Okay, so it means we don't need to show any calculations here, but we know that if we're looking for the y-intercept, then x is equal to 0. Where there's x, we put 0. Okay, x is equal to 0. So it's going to be, this is like 1 over 3. 1 over 3 plus 2 is going to be 7 over 3 because this is going to be 6 over 3. Okay, but let me just show you how we do this. So y-intercept x is equal to 0. So y is equal to negative 1 over 0 minus 1, minus 3 plus 2. This is like y over, the negative 1 over negative 3 is just 1 over 3 plus 2. And then y is equal to 1 over 3 plus 2 is like 2 over 1. So we multiply by 3. Multiply the numerator by 3 and the denominator by 3. So it's going to be 6 over 3. But anyway, you can use your calculator for this. So y is equal to 7 over 3. So the y-intercept, the coordinates of the y-intercept, 0, 7 over 3. That we're going to meet when we're doing question 5.5.